In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see yourself when you talk on Zoom for Windows. First, go to Zoom. On a Windows PC, you can open the Zoom desktop app if it's already installed, or visit the Zoom website and sign in, then launch the app from there. The desktop app gives you the smoothest experience and the full set of in-meeting controls you'll need for this. Next, join or start a Zoom meeting. You can click Join to enter a scheduled meeting or new meeting to start one yourself. Once you're in the meeting window, Zoom may ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. Allow that so your video can appear. If your camera is covered by a privacy shutter or physically turned off, open it now so Zoom can access it. Now look at the bottom toolbar. On the left, you'll see the camera icon labeled Start Video or Stop Video. If there's a red slash through it, your camera is off. Click the small arrow next to that icon to confirm the correct webcam is selected, especially if you have more than one camera. This menu is also where you can open video settings to fine-tune things like mirroring your video so on-screen movements feel more natural. Click on the video control to turn your camera on. The moment your video starts, your own thumbnail appears in the meeting window. To make it easier to see yourself when you speak, check the View option at the top right of the meeting window. Speaker View makes the active speaker large in the center, while Gallery View shows a grid of everyone. Choose the one you prefer. In Speaker View, when you talk, Zoom automatically brings your video to the forefront as the active speaker. If you still don't see yourself, click directly on your video tile. Move your mouse over it, click the three dots on the tile, and choose Show Self View if it's hidden. This toggle is easy to miss, and if it was turned off in a previous meeting, Zoom remembers that choice. Once Show Self View is enabled and your camera is on, you'll always see your own video alongside others. If your image looks flipped, use the arrow next to Start Video to open settings and enable or disable Mirror My Video based on what feels right to you. That's it. Go to Zoom, join or start a meeting, check the bottom toolbar, turn on your video, and, if needed, click your video tile to show your self view. With these steps, you'll clearly see yourself whenever you talk on Zoom for Windows.